La Mirada is a city in southeast Los Angeles County, California, and is one of the gateway cities. City of La Mirada is approximately 18.6 miles southeast of downtown Los Angeles. City of La Mirada was incorporated on March 23, 1960. The city has a total area of 7.84 square miles, 20.30 square kilometers. The city of La Mirada is on the border between Orange and Los Angeles counties. The cities that border it on the Los Angeles County side are Santa Fe Springs to the west and Cerritos to the southwest, and unincorporated areas of Los Angeles County such as East Whittier, and South Whittier to the north. The cities bordering it in Orange County are Fullerton and La Habra to the east and Buena Park to the south. Several freeways run through La Mirada, connecting it with the greater Los Angeles and Orange County areas. Interstate 5 passes briefly through the southwest corner of the city, while Beach Boulevard, SR 39, passes briefly through the east end of the city. La Mirada Civic Center. The La Mirada Civic Center features several facilities serving the community such as City Hall, Splash, Activity Center, Resource Center, Community Gymnasium, Los Angeles County Library and Community Sheriff's Station. Splash, located inside La Mirada Regional Aquatics Center, is an affordable, family-oriented water park with pirate-themed features providing fun for persons of all ages. Next to Civic Center is La Mirada Community Regional Park by LA County with beautiful lake view. La Mirada Theater Center. La Mirada Theater Center is located at the intersection between La Mirada Boulevard and Rosecrans Avenue. The La Mirada Theater Center currently houses the La Mirada Theater for the Performing Arts, which is owned and operated by the City of La Mirada. The Broadway-style theater is one of the most successful performing arts centers in Southern California. The La Mirada Theater Center also features a multi-screen movie theater, AMC La Mirada 7, restaurants like Subway and Ginzaya Sushi, retail markets, Albertsons, CVS, and Big 5 Sporting Goods, a fitness center, UFC gym, and Chuck E. Cheese, a family-style pizza restaurant, offers fun and food for all ages.